Hello friends, today we're gonna learn how to create a style theme for your WordPress themes. So to do that I need a plugin. So under plugin tabs I need to go add new. Okay, and then search, in the search field need to search childs. Site. Okay, there you go. We need this plugin activate. Once you install this plugin, we need to activate this plugin. Then okay, here you go. The plugin is now activated in our site. So I need some configuration. So under tools tabs you see a sub tab which is style themes. I need to click this style themes and configure some settings. Okay, I have a themes brand block. I need a style theme under this brand block. So analyze. Okay, I have some problem, but this is not a problem. We can okay, I need to take this one. Okay, this option replace the style theme existing menu widget and other customized setting with those from the parents theme. You should only need to use this option the first time you configure style themes. Okay, everything is ready to go. Now I click on this, create a new style theme. And here you go, our style theme is already created. Let's see. Okay, our style already. Okay, let's go to apparel, then themes. You will see another themes called style. Okay, here you go, ground block child. Now we can activate these themes. Okay, our child theme is now ready. Now take a look.